Hey everybody, I am on Queen Beauty Show and channel.
I'm gonna mute you up.
I can't do it. Okay, one more time. Hey, I'm on Queen Beauty channel and my daughter is filming me because she did my hair.
No, you just did for a second.
Yeah, I like it. Okay, hurry up.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Queen Beauty here and welcome to my channel. Today I am back at it again with another crochet hairstyle. This time I did it on my mom. Say hey, Mom.
Hey.
You gonna introduce yourself? You gonna give her a name?
I am Miss Pompey.
Excuse me. She just got married, y'all, so that's why.
Yes, and he is going to be surprised when he see this color on me, because I've never wore this color before.
So anyways, before we get into this video and tell you guys all about this hair, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's just get right into this video. Okay. So I will insert a picture of the box of what the hair looks like. Obviously you can see what it looks like on her. But this is the V8.9.10 V-shaped finish style from ZURY. And it is the style Deep Twist. And it is in the color SOM 3033. I don't know what that means. I guess it's like 2 tones of brown. It looks pretty light to me, but I mean, you know, it's very cute. So basically, this hair came up to $14.99, so it was probably about $15 with tax. This is not our first time working with ZURY, as in buying this hair, because this is literally like my favorite crochet style. This is like our 4th time trying a different hair. It is.
This was a surprise today. Because I always wear black or 1B or 2. She went way off the mark today.
Yeah, but that's because I am in a new city and they do not have all the colors that where you live has. So I had to work with what I had. So I did a surprise color. So it turned out good. I did not know how it was going to turn out, but it still turned out good. So basically this is the 1 pack. It's enough crochet style. And so this is how much hair I have left, which is a good amount. The only thing I have to say really about this hair is, I don't know what I was going to say.
It's fluffy.
It is very fluffy, so that's why I didn't have to put that much hair in it. And also, since it's the 8, 9, and 10 inch, I put her 10 inch on the bottom, but I put it mostly in the back. And then I put the 9 inch, and then I put the 8 inch at the top. So yeah. So now I'm gonna let my mom talk to you guys. Basically, also I'm gonna insert some clips showing you guys me installing the hair in her head. I did that last night. See her hair for the first time. I got a surprise color.
Oh my God. Oh my God, I've never worn this color before. Oh. Oh, my husband gonna be like, who is that? Who is that? I don't care, they like blonde hair. No. This one never been this color before. Never.
She's only had the hair in her head for literally a day.
Yes.
A day, and we have some pros and cons to it already. And I don't think we've ever dealt with this because we had the water wave last time, both of us, and it did really good. You know the video.
But now, yes. But now, I feel like it's, you know, shedding.
So yeah, here we go with the cons, you guys. We'll do the cons first, and then we'll do the pros after that. So okay. So
I feel
what
like
are the cons?
I feel like it's shedding, and then it's up like it's gonna come loose, but she double knotted it, so hopefully it won't come loose on me. And because I see it buckling up, and I really am uncomfortable with that because when I leave town, I'm on my own.
And she not doing her hair.
I had to come all the way 3 hours to get my hair done. So it has to stay until I can get back or till she come and get me. But I see as I touch, and everything I touch, it holds on to my rings.
Okay, it's snagging.
It's snagging on my earrings. So hopefully I can cover it up tonight and it'll come back out looking good without it coming out.
Do you feel like it's frizzy?
No, I just feel like it's shedding right now. If I can get all the shedding out and the puff up, because I keep pulling down to make sure that it's not coming out my head. But
she keep messing with it, but
yes.
I'm telling you, I double knotted most of them. It was late last night, but basically what she was, basically to reiterate what she was saying was basically it's a lot of shedding with this hair right now. I'm not sure how to fix that. I mean, I can run my fingers through it and try to get as much. It's shedding a lot more than usual. But also on top of that, like she said, it looks like it's coming loose. I don't know why. Maybe because it's a looser texture. I'll get a zoomed in picture or video to show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, I don't understand why it's doing that. Do you have any pros? What do you like about it?
My pros is everybody that saw me today thought it was a good color on me. Because I have never
You
tried
can't
color.
stop saying that.
I'm older and I likes to be the same. So I'm trying it. I'm going back home tomorrow and I'm gonna shock the whole church when I walk in. So I'm gonna have to dress nice tomorrow.
So what other pros? Anything else you like about it? Do you like the curl pattern?
I like the curl pattern. I like the length. Because, you know, I don't like it all on my neck, but it feels really good. It's not bothering my neck. And it's out of my face. So it's a good, if I can get over the color, I'm good. And the shedding. So I'll just try to get some of the shedding out tonight, and hopefully it'll be okay in the morning.
But hopefully this style will last her at least 2 weeks.
Yes.
3 at the most. I don't know, because dealing with the looseness of the knots, I guess. But yeah, so hopefully it lasts. And I understand that this is a super short video. Y'all know I usually talk a lot, but today it was cut down because she was here. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Queen Beauty out.